Hey, gamers! What if I told you there's a way to grab a $100 Steam gift card absolutely free? No scams, no gimmicks, just a few simple steps that I've personally verified. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's jump in. First, let me prove this actually works. Here's my Steam wallet. Right now, my balance is $0. I'll redeem a $100 Steam gift card right in front of you so you can see for yourself. Watch this. I enter my code, hit redeem, and boom! My balance just went up by $100. It's that simple, and now I'll show you how to get your own gift card in just minutes. The magic happens on a site called fundszap.com. This is a trusted platform loaded with exclusive coupons and gift cards for all your favorite services. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Open your browser and go to fundszap.com. Search for Steam gift card using the search bar if it's not already featured on the homepage. Click on the $100 Steam gift card. You'll notice the code isn't fully revealed yet. That's because there's a quick unlock process to complete. To unlock your Steam gift card, you need to complete 2 super easy offers. Let me explain. One offer might ask you to download an app and reach a specific level. For example, I reached level 5 in about 5 minutes. Another offer might only require you to open an app once, which takes seconds. Choose any 2 offers you're comfortable with and complete them. Once you finish the offers, FundZap automatically reveals your full Steam gift card code. Simply copy the code, head to your Steam account, and click on Add Funds to Wallet. Select Redeem a Steam gift card. Paste your code, and you're done. Just like that, $100 is added to your Steam wallet, ready for you to spend on your favorite games and items. Read the instructions for each offer to ensure you meet the requirements. Stick to trusted apps and sites for safety. Gift cards are limited, so act fast before they run out. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to score a $100 Steam gift card for free using fundszap.com. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow gamers, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.